Lots of awesome, empowering women. WrestleMania, for the first time ever, is doing women's only main event. These three are taking the ring. Charlotte Flair, Ronda Rousey, and Becky Lynch.
Yes.
For the first ever main event women's match. It's called Raw Women's Championship. So we're hearing from them, of course, who is your pick to win. This is airing Sunday, April 7th. And Charlotte tweeted out, "It's been our goal to main event this. It was never just talk. It was the hard work of every woman, past, present, and future, to get us here. We won't let you down."
13 days, fun.
Yeah.
I like Ronda Rousey. I mean, I don't know the other two as well as from watching her over the last few years.
But Ronda's done some good stuff.
Ronda's pretty much, yeah.
She's kind of a bad egg.
Yeah.
Matt Selman tweeted out this image from The Simpsons, where in the background, if we can take it full, is a cartoon women's history. You can go as far back as Betty Boop, Daria in the 90s, the Powder Puff Girls, but of course some were left out and some weren't too happy. I was excited that Daria made the cut, but I mean, of course, iconic Wilma.
Hello, of course. How could you leave Betty and Wilma out?
And these two,
my gosh.
get them in the mystery bus.
My Scooby-Doo, Velma, and what was the other one? Somebody?
Daphne.
Daphne,
maybe?
good job.
Okay, and this one got a Hollywood star on the Walk of Fame, and her beautiful cast from This Is Us joined her. They're just truly family. Look at that. And another one joined her.
Show me.
Outside of the cast, this beautiful man, Shane West. She tweeted out something like, "Stars have always been a part of us since A Walk to Remember," that classic Nicholas Sparks film. So we love you, Shane, and we love you, Mandy, and I love you. Thank you so much.
And I love you, guys. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow. We loved having you. We'll see you then. Bye, everyone. Mwah.